Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are here with the contents of pelvic congestion syndrome. Pelvic congestion syndrome is a chronic condition that occurs in women when varicose veins form below the abdomen within the pelvic region. Causes: the most common cause is pregnancy. Apart from that, local pelvic hormonal milieu, venous outflow obstruction, external compression due to tumor. Symptoms: generally dull pain reported as chronic, but it worsens in certain situations, including after standing up for a long time, during and after sexual intercourse, in the later stages of pregnancies. Other symptoms include dysmenorrhea, abnormal bleeding during menstruation, backache, depression, fatigue, varicose veins around the vulva, buttocks, legs, abnormal vaginal discharge, swelling of the vagina and vulva. Diagnosis: it can be quite difficult to diagnose, and the doctors often need to carry out multiple diagnostic procedures to eliminate other possible causes of the symptoms. The diagnostic procedures include ultrasound, laparoscopy. Laparoscopy is a surgical procedure that uses small cameras to look inside the pelvis. CT scan, MRI scan, venogram, and ultrasound is often preferred as the first step in diagnosing pelvic congestion syndrome, as it is possible to detect the varicosities as well as to assess the blood flow. Treatment aims to reducing and alleviating symptoms. The medications used to relieve symptoms such as NSAIDs, chronic pain medications such as gabapentin plus and amitriptyline. The surgical treatment include minimally invasive surgical procedure called pelvic vein embolization. Sclerotherapy and hysterectomy are other options. Lifestyle modification. Exercise can help to minimize the congestion and pooling of fluid in the pelvic area, as it maintains the blood flow. Brisk morning walk or run would be preferable. Diet: high fiber diet includes whole grains, rice, cereals, beans and legumes, as well as plenty of fluids. And you should minimize caffeine and soft drinks. Supplements: herbs that may help with uterine tone include raspberry leaf in the form of a tea or tablets. The grape seeds helps with congestion and tone of uterus. Bioflavonoids are plant compounds that may help strengthen blood vessels and minimize blood vessel leakage. Thank you. Have a nice day.